Hello, Shopify store owners. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're making a lot of sales with your Shopify stores. And to even enhance more to your Shopify store, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can add an infinite scrolling Marquee text on your Shopify store. And it's gonna work on all of the themes. If you're using Dawn theme or if you're using any paid theme, it's gonna work completely fine. And it is without using any app. Yes, you heard it right. You won't be paying anything. All you have to do is just watch the complete video, give the thumbs up because that's all what I'm asking, and subscribe to this channel because that will help us create more valuable content for you guys. So if you are new to this channel, we have created a lot of free sections for you guys. So if you want to learn how to add mega menu, if you want to learn how to add video on autoplay, just like on my screen here, you have this video on autoplay and the announcement bar, which I'm going to show you guys in this video. And like this mega menu, this transparent header, all of these cool looking effects you will be getting just by subscribing to this channel. So why you are not subscribing? It's free. So make sure to subscribe it and watch these free videos to enhance your Shopify store to next level. Okay, so let's start implementing this tutorial. By the way, this is one style of the announcement bar. I'm going to show you guys another style, so make sure to watch the complete video where you will learn how to do this, and it is completely for free. Okay, so let's get right into it, and that's my development store. I'm going to go to the backend of my development store by navigating to /admin, and that's the link to the code. You will find this link in the YouTube video description where we have two different styles of Marquee code, and that's the code which we'll need to add. So let's go to that, and now let's click on online store, and here I have already implemented the code. So I'm going to install a fresh Dawn theme. So this is the Dawn theme which I'm going to install, and this code is completely going to work fine on Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft, because we have tested it on all of the free themes. And this was the request from one of our customer. They wanted to add this infinite Marquee scroll. So after implementing that to our customer store, we thought that we should share it with our YouTube audience as well. So if you don't know, we also provide Shopify customization services. So if you are stuck somewhere and you want help with your Shopify store, no matter it's increasing sales, no matter it's improving your Shopify UI, link in the description. For the contact us page, you will go to that link, fill up the form, and one of our team member will contact you within 24 hours. Okay, now let's install the Dawn theme, and I'm going to hit add button here. And our Dawn 15.0.0 is being installed. Guys, while it's being installed, make sure to click on the link if you are a new store owner and you want your store to be just for $1 a month. Yes, you heard it right. You can sign up to Shopify for just $1 a month if you use the link in the description. So don't delay and click on the link and sign up to your store. Okay, our Dawn 15.0.2 has been installed. Now I'm going to hit publish and then click on publish again. And here we have our fresh Dawn 15.0.0 installed. Click on these three small dots and then click on preview to see how it looks. I'm going to close the old tab. And that's our fresh Dawn 15.0.2 looks like. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add sliding announcement bar, which will be infinitely scrolling. And I'm going to show you how you can add your own text. I'm going to show you how you can change the background color and increase the font size, etc. Okay, let's go to our themes and then click on customize. Perfect. Let's click on add section here below this header part where we have this announcement bar. So click on add section, and from here click on custom liquid. Perfect. In the liquid code, we will add the liquid code provided in this link, which is in the description. So that's the style one. Click on copy code here and then paste the code. Perfect. After pasting the code, you will see this bar showing up here, right? So all you have to do is just click on save. And now you can see that it's infinitely scrolling. Now let me show you guys how you can move it on the top to make it look good. and show up as an announcement bar. So let's click this arrow and go back. And now I'm going to scroll it up here and then hide the actual announcement bar here by clicking on this eye icon here. Perfect. Now you can see that we have this top and bottom padding, and I want to get rid of that because it looks a little weird, right? So let's click on custom liquid, scroll down, and then remove the top padding and the bottom padding. And now you can see it looks fine, right? And then click on save. Let's go back to the store and hit refresh. And here we go. Our infinite scrolling Marquee text is showing up. Now, in order to change the text, all you have to do is just change the text within the span of the code. So that's the whole code. And all you have to do is just change the text here. So whatever text you will add, it will show up in the scroller. And from this code, you can change the background color. And this is the font color, which is white. This is the font size. So that's it. These are the settings which you need to know. Now let's try playing with it to see if it works fine, right? So I'm going to change the background color to black. So let's scroll down, and here we have this background color. So let's remove this hex code and add black. Okay, looks good. And color, let's make it red. Perfect. Font size, let's reduce it to 20 pixel. And now let's hit save. Let's go back and hit refresh. Now here we have a black background color, red text, and the text which is infinitely scrolling. And now let's try changing the text as well. Special discount, free shipping worldwide. Bulk discount offers. So I'm just adding dummy text in order to show you guys how it's gonna work. Let's hit save and then go back and then hit refresh. And here you go. You can see that we have this infinite scrolling text bar showing up. Now let's explore the second style which I have in the blog post. So let's go there, scroll down, and that's the style 2. Click on copy code and then do the same. So I'm just going to remove this code which is present and paste the code. So remove this, paste the code, and hit save. And here you go. So the previous one was from right to left, and this second style is from left to right with top and bottom padding and a little different styling, but it depends on your own preference which one you like the most. Personally, I like the second one the most, and this one looks really cool, right? You can simply change whatever announcement you want to add in and it will look awesome to your store. And it also works fine in the mobile version. So if I check on the mobile version, you can see that's how it looks. In order to change the background color and the text color, you'll have to add a little bit code. So in order to change the background color, you can simply add a new property here, which will be background color. And for changing the font color, you will add color here. So let me show you how it works. So below this Marquee class, I'm going to add the background color. So let's add the background color here. Let's make it red. Oops, I made a typo here. Okay, now you can see that the background color is showing up as red. Now, if you want to change the font color, I'm going to add it below this class here. So let's add in color, white. And here you can see the color is now changed to white. Now if I hit save and go back, hit refresh, you can see that the background color and the text color is updated. Now, if you guys want me to create a complete section of Marquee without needing you to code for changing the background color and changing the text, and make it like the section which we have like this announcement bar, where we have the option to change the padding, change the text color, change the color scheme, I can create that too for free. All I want is just more likes and comments for you guys on this video. So we have the target of 100 likes for this video. If you guys can give me 100 likes on this video, I'm going to create a completely free section for you guys where you will not have to change any background color, and you won't have to change any code to change the background color or text color or anything like that. I'll add the feature of changing animation, changing background color, changing text, all via customized setting without needing to code. So make sure to hit the like button and complete the target of this like to this video so I can create another tutorial. And that's it for the video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.